When it comes to residential roofing, hiring a local company offers several important benefits. First, local roofing companies have a deep understanding of your area's building codes and regulations, ensuring your roof is compliant with all local standards. They're also familiar with the local climate and weather conditions, which helps them recommend the best materials and techniques to protect your home. Another major advantage is the quick response time. Whether you need an emergency repair or a consultation, a local company can respond faster, providing you with the service you need when you need it most. Additionally, local companies often have a strong reputation in the community, built on word-of-mouth referrals and customer satisfaction, so you can trust in the quality of their work. Supporting a local business also means you're supporting the local economy, creating jobs, and helping to strengthen your community. Plus, you'll likely receive more personalized service and attention, with solutions tailored specifically to your home. If you're looking for a trusted local roofing company, contact RoofWorks today to schedule your free roof inspection. Our team of experts is here to ensure your home is protected with a high-quality roof built to last.